All right, what's up? Oh my God, it's been a while. It's been a while, you know it. But this time, I'm gonna switch it up, man, because it's like, man, there's only so much information that I can actually give out, and so it's like, man, I hope you're ready for this because I'm not just going to be talking about CPA marketing all the time, okay? So if you're focused on CPA marketing and you want to develop a higher level of CPA marketing, then go back through all these videos that I've created, right? Look at all these videos, okay? So, because all these videos, I guarantee you, will give you all you need to become successful in CPA marketing, okay? Because this is through these videos, I done given out a lot of secrets, a lot of stuff, especially through the videos that are the longest. Like the videos that are the longest, I put the most time into, obviously. So yeah, just pay attention to that because these videos are very valuable and I think you'd like them. And I share some really like secrets, really good secrets at that. Like, so yeah. And by far my favorite one is this one right here, the 6-figure adult niche. If you see that video, you'll see why, because that one was a major secret and I let out a lot of information on that one. So yeah, this one right here, 6-figure adult niche method. That one, oh my God, you would love that one because yeah, just go see it. That's a really good video. But yeah, let's go on and show you what's up, man. Okay, so as you see, my last video was like a month ago. The only reason is because I got me a new condo. Okay, I got me a new place, meaning okay, let me show you how it looks inside and everything. This is without furniture, at least. Like so, here you go. This is my place. So here go the kitchen. I mean, it ain't nothing. I'm just living, man. But yeah, this is my living room right there, living room area, and yep, my kitchen. Those are the only shots I got. But my closet is like really big, bigger than I thought. So yeah, but anyways, let's go and get into the video. But today I'm going to be talking about something that I've talked about before and that is the music niche. Okay, the music niche is popping. Oh my God, the music niche is popping as always. It's always going to be popping. You want me to tell you another niche that's going to be popping? The movies niche always going to be popping. TV shows niche. All of these niches to the side right here. All of these niches. You see all of these niches? How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 of the all 10 of these niches are popping. You want me to tell you why? Because it's the best of YouTube, and YouTube is Google now. So it's like YouTube is Google. So since YouTube is Google, you have all your answers right here because you can just easily and simply just click right here on music, right? And then look at this. It shows you the hottest, latest records released. So it shows the top 10 from the top 50, top 100 on the charts and stuff like that. So you can have that information. So if you see this video, here we go, 1 week ago, getting 3 million views, you can kill it. You can kill it because all you have to do is actually go and Google research. Okay. So I'm going to show you an example of that. So, oh my God, I'm over here. So, I think I grabbed the whole thing. Yep. I grabbed the whole link. So I'm going to search up Ellie Golding Power. Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna just search it up. I ain't gonna try this because it won't even let me, as you see. Ellie, here we go. Ellie, I think it was Go Golding Power. Okay. So I'm gonna search up power. Okay. So people 9 times out of 10, majority want to get this song for guess what? Free. Ain't nobody want to pay for no song. Ain't nobody want to pay $1 for no song. Like seriously, there's people like that. Like don't get me wrong, you know people like that. Seriously. So it's like all they would have to do, all these tech analysts do, all they do is just go search up this, right? But they add something to it. They add something to the end. So this is a trending song, right? This is on the top chart. So here we go. So you just add download, right? download MP3, and watch this, man. Let's watch. Look at this. Look at what you see at the top. What is this at the top, bro? What is this at the top? Let's see. Let's see where it's gonna take me, because I don't know, man. I don't know where it's gonna take me. I never even been on the site before, so I'm gonna just see. I'm just exploring. I'm just pretty much exploring, you know. So, say for example, you had something like this. You can copy this landing page. You can do whatever you want. So, and then they come down. They come down to download MP3, right? I'm sure this page gets a lot of traffic. So, yeah, like I always say, implement what's winning. Implement what's winning. Okay. And the fact how I know that it's winning is because it was on the top ranks. Google don't rank stuff that's not winning. Okay. So that is point blank. Google don't rank anything that's not winning. And look at this. Look at when it was posted. May 22nd. When did the video come out? A week ago. So what's today? Today is the 29th. So a week ago, it came out on time. So that's why I'm telling you, if you pay attention to all of these niches on time, but I'm just showing the music niche specifically because of this fact of the matter of how you can do your research and do some deep research on this fact. So yeah, it came out 2 weeks ago, or no, 1 week ago, but I'm just looking at this. That's why I said 2 weeks ago. But yeah, like just like really look for the new top hit songs, and that's all you got to do. Because look, if you didn't see, there was multiple links. There's always going to be multiple gurus out there that are trying to catch a quick buck, because hey, you can download it here at these websites for free. I've never even heard this song, so I'm gonna be honest, but it's like I'm just sharing with you the knowledge that I have, that of what you can do, like to make it like so simplistic. It's very simple. So it's like, if you just pay attention to this, even this site gets a whole lot of views too. So yeah, what you want to do is actually pay attention to these websites, because just go after what they're doing. Just do what they're doing. Like, that's all you would really have to do. Do what they're doing. Look at what they got, top music downloads, and pay attention to that too. So they actually share with you on this website top music downloads, meaning that what songs are most searched for and most downloaded on this platform, on this website. So like, what you can do is just re-implement all of this, because all of these songs are popping. So what I would recommend you do, instead of searching up old songs, go towards more of the newer songs. So for example, Brett Young, Lady, which was 4 weeks ago, right? This is the top music downloads through this website. So as you see right here go Ellie Goulding again with Power. Here we go. It's on here. So and other top hit songs as well. So as you see, so 6 years ago, I wouldn't recommend doing something like over a year ago. So, I mean, but you can, but it won't, like, it won't convert as fast. That's all I'm saying. Because the stuff that will convert as fast is something like this and these top ranks. So like, if you go through these right here, 1 week ago, 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, these are still going up in views. 9 times out of 10, this 1 week ago video right here is going to be at 200K, meaning more opportunity. Okay. So that's the way you got to look at it. More opportunity for you to create your landing page and copy and implement, like re-implement what's winning. Ding, 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 right here. Re-implement what's winning. Not this song. Like, I'm not talking about this song, but you can do really any song. But I recommend, if you want the fastest conversions and stuff like that, I recommend doing these right here. Coming to this, go into music, best of YouTube. You see it. You can do the same thing with sports. You can do the same thing with gaming. You could content lock sports. You can content lock gaming. All about gaming. Let me show you that too. I can show you this example too. So what you would do is actually, okay, as you see, gaming, right? Okay, gaming. We got PUBG. Everybody loves PUBG. Okay, so let's do PUBG. Okay, I don't play PUBG. I got an Xbox One, but I don't play PUBG. But anyways, let's go on and go back to Google. Okay, let's go on and go back. Okay, here we go. So PUBG, right? Let's see PUBG DLC. Okay, DLC free download. Okay, So because there are people out there that want free stuff, and including the DLCs. If you don't know what the DLC is, it's downloadable content. Like it's downloadable extra content to the game. So, and yeah, that's just what it is. I don't play this, so it's like I'm coming from a perspective of, okay, I'm gonna just do my research on it, and this is how I would do my research. Okay, PUBG DLC not free download. Let's take that out. Let's just see DLC first. Okay. So what you would do, I'm just saying for you, what you would do is just search up DLC because you might not know about the game. So just like me, so I don't know about this game. Let's see, Steam DLC page, right? Steam DLC page, and here we go. Right there, Players Unknown Battleground. There we go. Cold Front PUBG. I don't know anything about this. I think this is the DLC right there, Season 7 and Survivor Pack. What is PUBG Premium? Like, that's just very simple right there. And go from there. So I think that was the DLC. So full release update with new DLC to arrive. I'm going to click on here. This is a perfect example of what I mean. So, yep, here we go. Okay. Letting this load. Okay, here we go. PUBG full release update. How long ago? 2018. Wow. Okay, that was long ago. So, oh yeah, I take that back. Oh, I take that back. Okay, I searched it wrong. I actually searched it wrong. So what you'd want to do is actually do latest DLC. So PUBG, whatever game. I'm just saying PUBG in general. So whatever game you want, add latest before the DLC. So latest DLC. Okay. So here you go. Steam DLC page. Here you go. This is really all you need because Steam DLC page is really all you need, honestly. So here you go. I'm gonna show you that, and what you'll be able to see is all the DLCs for this specific game. So here we go. We got Cold Front, which came out April 21st, 2020. It literally just came out. So what you would do is actually, okay, you know what's the latest DLC that came out. This was the DLC before that, but what are people looking at? They're looking at Cold Front right now, right? They're looking at Survivor Pass, Cold Front. So what you would do is actually search up PUBG, Survivor, right? Survivor Pass. Oh my God, I think it just went off on me. But okay, let me see. Survivor Pass, and it's Cold Front, right? So here we go. I'm gonna add that Cold Front. So not free download. Let's just see download first, and then after that, we're gonna search up free download. So here we go. Nobody want to pay for it. You have people out there that are actually like this, and that's how I know that it will convert because there are people like this. So here you go. Buy PUBG, Survivor Pass, Cold Front. Okay, so digital download price. It's showing, okay, they look like these. With these, you got to pay. So you got to actually be specific with it. So let's do free download, okay? Or like, I don't know if you ever heard of it, but these websites, they got pirate websites. You can look them up. Like they got a ton of pirate websites where, yeah, you can pirate anything and everything all for free. And so what you can do is just grab that database, grab all that information, and then put it behind a content lock, and then have it showcase it in front of them, in front of the traffic that you're getting or that you're generating through. Either I recommend doing this right here, which is Google. So letting your stuff rank. And yeah, I'm gonna talk more about that in the next video. If you want to know how to get some good traffic to your website and stuff like that, I'm gonna be talking about that in the next video. I'm gonna tell y'all a key secret, okay? A key secret in the next video. If you want this key secret, let me know down in the comments because I'm gonna let y'all know how to get this traffic to y'all stuff and how y'all stuff can rank higher, okay? How you can get your stuff to a higher rank. I'm gonna really help y'all out on that. So if you want your stuff to be higher on the ranks and convert, get more conversions, etc., then there you go. So what you would do is actually come here. I don't think nobody actually searching like free download to be specific. So what I'm saying is pretty much have a landing page over the fact of this DLC. Okay, I don't want to lose you, so I'm just going to say what I'm trying to point out. So here we go. PUBG Survivor Pass Cold Front, right? So people are searching this up because this is the latest DLC. They want to see gameplay. Here we go. YouTube already up there, all this gameplay of it and of all the content that they added. So what you would want to do is actually have your website up here as well. Have your website up here, and so you can just showcase like a giveaway. You can point it out as a giveaway, free giveaway, Cold Front DLC and stuff like that. You could just do that free giveaway, right? So and then go from there. So and then that's how you would do it. That's how you would like really like showcase it as a giveaway, other than something that has to be paid for. And then in order for people to opt into that giveaway, they would have to actually go through your locker. So that's how you would do that. So that, like I'm saying, like you can actually do anything you want. You can do like other niches as well. You just got to really like think outside the box. So in other words, I hope you liked this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, thank God for my place. And yeah, let's keep killing it, man. Just tell me what y'all want next, because I'm gonna do some I'm gonna release some major secrets, more secrets. So yeah, it's gonna be really good, because this next secret that's on my next video, I've never shown this before. So like I said, I hope you like this video. Stay tuned and stay safe. All right, God bless. Peace.